So, good morning! La. So, I make my own ensaladang guy mixed with cucumber and hilaw nga kamatis. Actually, I don't like hinog nga kamatis. Kay, see? That's the reason why. Ang hilaw nga kamatis ang the best. Ugma mag-okra ko. Kulami. Same like mami timpra. May kayo. Siya gatudlo na ako ani. First time making my own ensaladang guy. Kamatis nga hilaw and then cucumber. Usually, mommy will do. But now, I'm doing. Ay! See, mommy? I didn't put everything na one time. So, I mix first. Maumaod yun, day. Kamot yun diha. Kaya way maming maghimo ni mo ani. Then, i-mix-mix na siya. Mekos-mekos. And then, there you go. Naka-ensaladang guy with crunchy kamatis kay hilaw and then cucumber. Mga untas. So, this is my breakfast. Excited ko. And together with this talong. This is my ensalada na guy. Comes with cucumber, hilaw nga kamatis, and then sauce nga lami kaayo. Suka, everything lami. Awa, nakahimo na ko sa imong the best na ensalada nga guy. Cucumber with kamatis, crunchy kain kamatis. And then, mo na ako breakfast. Let's try. And then, a bit of rice gamay kay mo pa'y pag-start. So, as per mami, dili kaliton. Kay, malipong ka day. Good morning! Tortang talong.